Sobrang pretty ng color. Hello people, this is Pat and I finally received this present. Simulan na-receive ko yung text na napadala na to. So, super excited ako. We have a new addition sa family. So, i-open ko ng kasabay sa inyo para makita nyo rin. Pero I'll make a separate vid about this para wala lang, cute. Yung medyo mas maayos and formal. Super excited na ako dito because this will be a brand new addition sa ating family, sa ating ecosystem. Anyway, here it is! So, nakabaliktad kasi front cam yung gamit ko. But this one is from Sunday's Project. Handcrafted with intention, stationery, and essentials for your days outside. And you guys know na I love going outside. Always bring my journals or any notebook with me kapag lumalabas ako. You know, just in case na bet kong diba? Sulat-sulat, feeling may character. But yeah. Look at this! So pretty. Sila dito. And then, para siyang postcard. So, pwede siyang sulatan actually. This is it. Ayusin natin para maayos pa rin. So, sobrang pretty ng color. You guys, this is the perfect sunny yellow color na gusto ko. At meron siyang parang dito sa loob nakalagay, you are allowed to grow at a pace that feels like peace. Super nice. Sobrang excited na ako gamitin to, guys. Thank you, Sunday's Project. We'll make a separate video about this, yung quality niya, how I'll be using it, and if you guys are interested as well. Kasi ngayon pa lang, with first impression pala, excited na ako. Like, di ko siya ma-contain. So, excited na akong gamitin to. For exciting times. Thank you, Sunday's Project talaga. Thank you so much. Ongoing. Bloopers, pero ongoing po pala to. This just shows na super excited talaga ako. I mean, pinadala to ng Sunday's Project. Pero wala naman sila expectation or what. Pero nakita nyo naman, sobrang saya ko habang naglilinis. Hindi siya scripted. Masaya talaga ako. Super happy. Off ko na kasi baka makubusan ako ng storage. But yeah. Hindi ko pa na-wait, guys, but I actually received this Sunday's Project. We'll make a separate vid. I'll definitely make one. Kasi isama natin yung weekly recap natin. But for work, yeah. Bakit mukhang panot ang mermaid? Banana con yelo. Yummy.
Not bad. Mas yung umalak yung mailalagay mo kasi diba ito gagawin mo siya.
Full setup at ang dami nangyayari. May monitor, ganyan, mga kalat-kalat, may journal, Again, makalat lang. But, ito kasi ginagamit ko for work. For drafts ng work and then planner. The Sunday's project journal na hindi ko pa napipicturan. And then, yeah, I think dahil ko siya. Hindi ako masyado nakapag video this week. Kasi wala naman masyadong ganap and ako work from home ako. Tomorrow lang ako naka-onsite. But yeah, super chill week so far. And then, kung ilang beses nyo na ako nakitang nakaganto yung suot, it's because this is my work outfit. Meron akong pambahay sa loob. And then, kapag nandito ako sa office, sinusuot ko tong jacket na to or itong cardigan na to. But now, ito lang. Kasi hindi pa naman, okay pa naman siya. And then, this jogging pants as well. Kasi, mabilis ako mainitan. Tas, ang bilis ko rin lamigin. So, kailangan ko nang nakaganyan. Tas, may medyas din ako kasi mapis lamigin yung medyas ko. But, yeah. And that's up. I called them. Everyone. We're na sa campus. Na mag-gym before work. But 7:30 na kasi or magsa 7:30 na. So later na lang. Tama. Yeah, I guess later na lang para di rin haggard pagpasok and then diretso uwi na lang ako later. And siguro naman by the time na matapos ako mag-gym, humupa na yung mga tao masyado sa bus station. So yeah. Naisip ko pa nga kasi kung makakauwi ako ng maaga later, like mga 4:30, edi makakasakay agad ako sa bus. Pero pag nag-gym ako, siguro mga 6. Hindi ko alam if matao na nun or what. Kasi long weekend tomorrow. Anyway, we have our coffee. And then our breakfast na sandwich and chicken yung nasa loob na like pastel flavor. I like it. Really pretty. The garden. Super tahimik. Calming. People, this is Pat and I'll be going to my first ever aerial yoga class. So, actually, meron ako din nakabook na for... Nagsikaisa natin yung aking ano. Waiting na lang ako sa Grab kasi super init. And then, para diretso na doon. So, yeah. Sana makapag-with ako. At kayanin ko ang lambitin. So, yeah. See you later. Then, mag-work ako sa labas after. Sa Lotus na lang. Here is the studio. Flowers. Wait. Sama natin sa easy. Fail ang aming The Valley.
The Valley Weekend Market is a fail dahil hindi naman makabili dahil walang signal.
Masulit pa.